In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do split screen on Google Chrome. If you're tired of clicking back and forth between tabs, this simple approach will help you compare pages, follow guides while you work, or keep a video and a document visible at the same time without juggling windows. Start by identifying the first tab you want to keep on screen. Look along the top of your Chrome window to find the tab strip, then right-click the tab's name. This opens a small menu with options specific to that tab. From that menu, choose Add Tab to New Split View. Chrome will immediately ask which side you want this page to occupy. Pick left or right, and the browser will snap that tab into place, creating a clean side-by-side layout within the same Chrome window. With one side set, simply click the second tab you want to view. Chrome automatically pairs the two, locking both pages together in one unified window, so you don't need to resize or arrange anything manually. Each side acts independently, so you can scroll, click, and type in either page without affecting the other. It's perfect for research on one side and writing on the other, or for comparing two product pages, calendars, or dashboards at a glance. As you work, keep an eye on which pane is active. The page you click becomes the one receiving your keystrokes, so typing, searching, or using shortcuts will apply to that side. If you open links, they generally load in the pane you're working in, unless a site forces a new tab, in which case it will still stay within your Chrome window. When you're finished with the dual view, there are two quick ways to return to a single page. You can right-click the tab again and choose Separate View, which puts the page back into a normal tab layout. Or, if you no longer need one of the pages, just close that tab as you usually would, and Chrome will exit the split automatically. Either way, your browsing returns to the familiar single-pane setup without losing your place. A quick note before we wrap up: menu wording can vary slightly depending on your Chrome version or system, but the flow is the same. Right-click the tab, add it to a new split view, choose the side, and click the other tab to pair it. And that's it. Side-by-side browsing made easy. You're all set to work smarter, keep context visible, and cut down on tab toggling. Done.